Nature poem. A nature poem should be about snow-hushed woods late at night, a rainbow's refracted light, counting rings on fallen trees, glades full of honeybees, autumn's harvest, summer flowers, the sun, the earth, the moon, the stars. A nature poem should be about clouds and daffodils. It should never be about beaches without children, oceans without boats, dawn without birdsong, sunrise without hope, bedtime stories by moonlight, digging holes in the sand, lives measured in days, never holding her hand. Shima, Nature.